Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Dr. Christian Pascual, top 1 in the August 2010 Criminologist Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Christian.
Alright, sige, let's move on to the next question. Ito yung mga questions na kung di mo alam, di ba? Kasi medyo may pagka-identification siya, no? Okay, so let's look at it. Letter A. By the way, the question is Homer is best known as is he the author of Iliad and Odyssey, who described human behavior as the modern sense of breath or sign of life? Diba? Na kumbaga, uh, kung hindi ka na nagbe-behave, hindi ka na nagre-react sa environment mo, you're good as dead, 'di ba? Kasi kumbaga in the same way na kapag hindi ka na humihinga, patay ka na, 'di ba? Kapag wala ka ng behavior, hindi ka na nagre-react sa environment mo, patay ka na, 'di ba? You're not alive. Letter B, is he the person who described human behavior as having two parts, the rational part, the concern about the ideal form, di ba? Yung reasoning, parang ganon. Or irrational part, yung more on emotion, more on abstract, di ba? Sige. Siya ba yung nagsabi noon? Or siya yung nagsabi that one who described human behavior, sorry may dyan typo, as the principle of life. Okay? It's what distinguishes the living from non-living. So in a way, same lang yung sinasabi niya with letter A, no? But iba lang yung pagkakasabi. That it is what distinguishes living things, yung things that are alive, and things that are not alive, or things that are dead, no? Sige. So, actually, the correct answer here, so kung board exam ngayon, ang mga nakakuha ng tamang sagot ay yan, si Marigold, si Rose Ann. Yan, you're correct, guys. Yan. So, the correct answer here is letter A. Yan. So, Homer is the author of Iliad and Odyssey, and he said that human behavior is the modern sense of breath or sign of life. And letter B, the one who said that behavior has two parts, the rational and irrational. Diba? Irrational is more on the emotion, diba? And then rational is more on the reasoning, diba? Ang nagsabi niyan is si Socrates at si Plato. No? And then letter C, yung nagsabi that human behavior is the principle of life. It is the essence that distinguishes the living from non-living. Ang nagsabi niyan is si Aristotle. So please do not forget them. Ito, A, si Homer. Si B, ang nagsabi niyan, si Socrates and Plato. And then letter C, ang nagsabi niyan, si Aristotle. Yan. So ilan lang naman yung mga personality sa history ng human behavior. So might as well memorize them. Diba? Covert behavior, from the term itself, di ba? The behaviors that are hidden from the view of the observer. Diba? So nasa utak mo lang, it's just a state of your mind, like wishing someone dead, di ba? Parang ganon, or things that you cannot observe. Covert behavior, ang kabaliktaran nun is overt behavior, things that you observe. Like when I raise my hand, that's overt behavior. When you talk about letter C, behaviors that requires less number of neurons, ang tawag doon simple behavior. Of course, you've learned that from your general psychology, di ba? But when you talk about a combination of simple behavior, ang tawag doon is a complex behavior. Di ba? So, simple behavior, like I raise my hand, that's a simple behavior. But if you combine several, nagmo-multitask ka na, di ba? You're doing a complicated activity, probably dancing while singing, di ba? Or just dancing itself, diba? It's a complex behavior. And so it involves a combination of simple behavior. All right. So covert behavior are hidden, while overt behavior, kabaliktaran niya, are observable. You can see it. Diba? All right. Sige. Sinong dyan ang kayang mag-drive habang kumakain? Meron ba sa inyo? Mag-drive habang kumakain. Ano pa bang pwedeng gawin while you're driving? Sa bagay, palagi ko, driving is a complex, no? it's a complex activity because you're visualizing things, diba? You're manipulating your hands and then you're manipulating your feet. So I think it's a complex activity in itself. But couple that with other activities, mas lalo pong magiging complicated yan, diba? Or complex. Like eating while driving, texting while driving, never do that, no? What do you mean by voluntary behavior? Um, I think when you talk about voluntary versus involuntary behavior, um, you always have to remember the word will, diba? So when you talk about will, it is the power of conscious, deliberate action. Sabihin, ginagawa mo ba yan base sa dinidikta ng utak mo? Or without your mind telling your body to do it, your body will do it anyway. For example, paghinga, kahit hindi mo sabihin kahit hindi mo isipin or kahit hindi mo iutos sa katawan mo na huminga, hihinga ka pa rin, di ba? Or pagtibok ng puso mo, di ba? Yung pulse mo, pagpapawis, di ba? So that in itself, you're not in the will. You don't that doesn't happen, because of your will. It just happened on its own. So, kapag tinaas ko yung kamay ko, tinaas ko yan based on the full volition of my will. Diba? So that's what you call a voluntary behavior. So, the correct answer here is letter C. Yan. Voluntary behavior is done with full volition of the will, whereas yung kabaligtaran nun is involuntary, such as binigyan yung letter D nga, yun yung mga example, bodily processes that goes on even when we are awake or asleep. Like, even if you don't do it at will, di ba? Hindi ka willing gawin yan, hindi mo inutos yung utak mo na gawin yan, mangyayari pa rin siya. Di ba? Like, as I said, breathing, di ba? And all. Letter A and B, and I think, I think wala naman na confused dito. A and B, that's the distinction between rational and irrational behavior. So if you know what you're doing, diba? If you're acting with sanity, diba? With reason, then your behavior is rational, diba? But if you are without reason, you are not aware, you're unaware of what you're doing at the time when you're doing it, then that's what you call the irrational behavior. So AB, rational, irrational, CD, voluntary versus involuntary behavior. I hope that's clear. No? I hope that's clear. Yeah, let's move on.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!